Good morning, dear students. Hope all are keeping fine at home, but you are missing your school, your friends, your teachers, your school premises, I know. But you are getting a lot of time to study because per day you are seeing only 3 subjects, less homework, less burden, so you are getting more time to concentrate on your studies. So I hope whatever you learned up to now, that everything, all portions, everything is clear to you now. And last class we have seen the new term matrices and the operations on matrices. Two operations we have seen. Which are the two operations we have seen? That is addition and subtraction on matrices. Right? So today we are going to see one of the another operation, multiplication of matrix. Multiplication of matrix. So multiplication of matrix is not so easy. Concentrate very well, then only this topic, this method will be clear to you. Multiplication of matrix. As I told you last class, how to find the order of the matrix. Are you remembering this? How to find the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix means if a matrix is having m rows and n columns, the order of the matrix will be m by n. To multiply two matrices, how to multiply? Multiplication of two matrices we are going to see now. To multiply two matrices, the first matrix A and the second matrix B. Right? To multiply two matrices, we need the order of the matrix like this. That means A will be with m rows and n columns. Then the B matrix, the second matrix should be with n rows and p columns. Right? And the answer, the multiplied answer, the matrix AB, the order will be after cancelling these two same terms, same number, the order of the answer will be m by p. Listen, I have told you last class, for addition and subtraction of matrices, we need the same order. Both the matrices should be of the same order. Here, to multiply two matrices, we need the first matrix with the order m by n. With the order m by n. And the second matrix with the order n by p. It implies that the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix should be same. For example, you can multiply a 3 by 2 matrix with a 2 by 1 matrix. These two are same. And the answer of the matrix order will be 3 by 1. 3 rows and 1 column you will get. You can multiply 1 by 2 with 2 by 3 matrix. 1 by 2 with 2 by 3 matrix. You can see these two are same, right? But you cannot multiply a 3 by 2 matrix with 1 by 2. Did you understand the difference? We can multiply 3 by 2, 2 by 1 because these two are same. And 1 by 2, 2 by 3 because these two are again same. And we cannot multiply a 3 by 2 matrix with a 1 by 2 because the number of columns here it is 2 and the number of rows of the second will be 1. These two are not the same, not a tally. So this type of matrices order with this type we cannot multiply. So that is the first thing you have to listen. For multiplying two matrices, the order of the matrices, that means the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix should be equal. Then only we can multiply two matrices. Clear? For addition and subtraction orders, the arrangement should be same. Then only we can add or we can subtract. For multiplying two matrices, we need the number of columns of the first matrix. If you are interchanging BA, if you have to calculate BA, then B will be first. Okay, multiplication is not commutative. AB will not be equal to BA. AB will not be equal to BA. That you will understand after learning the procedure. Okay, so multiplication of matrix is not commutative, and if we are having order m by n by p, BA cannot be possible. BA comes means B is having the order n by p, A is having the order m by n. So this also not possible. BA also not possible. So you have to listen first the order of the matrix, the number of rows of the number of columns of the first matrix, and the number of rows of the second matrix will be equal. Then only the multiplication possible. So multiplication of matrix you have to note down there. To multiply a matrix with another matrix, to multiply a matrix, to multiply matrix, a matrix A, note down in your copy, matrix A with matrix B, with matrix B, we need the number of columns of the first matrix. Will be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Note down, and then you note down there itself, that is a matrix A is having the order m by n, and another matrix B should be with the order n by p. Then after multiplying the matrix AB, the order will be m by p. This is very important. This order is very important, and with the order we have to calculate also. So you have to study this term. To multiply m by n, and the second matrix should be n by p, and these two normally it will cancel. Finally you are getting the answer m by p, order m by p. Okay, note down. To multiply a matrix A with the matrix B, we need the number of columns of the first matrix will be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Okay? Alright. Now I am going to show the multiplication of matrix. How to multiply two matrix. We are going to take out the last exercise of this chapter, exercise 8.3. Take out exercise 8.3. Okay? 8.3. I am going to start with question number 3. Question number 3. You are having a matrix A is given as matrix 3, 7, 2, 4. Right? And the matrix B is having 0, 2, 5, 3, and you have to calculate this. Okay, one more matrix is having C equal to 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 6. Okay, 3 matrices are given. Find AB minus 5C. That is your question. Find AB minus 5C. Okay, 5C you know how to take it, because last class we have seen 5C how to take. Now, first of all you have to multiply AB. To multiply AB, we have to listen the order. So you will check mentally, you will check. A is having order 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns, and B is also having 2 by 2. So this case it is possible because number of rows and number of columns are equal. So, and the answer also you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. Answer also you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now we are going to calculate the multiplication. That means we are going to multiply A and B. Matrix AB you are going to calculate. So to multiply AB, listen very carefully. To multiply AB, we will write A 3, 7, 2, 4, and you are going to multiply it with B 0, 2, 5, 3. Okay? We cannot multiply directly the corresponding elements. That is in the case of addition and subtraction. So here we are going to multiply A with B. Multiplication. Listen. To get the first element, multiplication, just listen. To get the first element, we need to multiply the first row with the first column. First row with the first column, you will get the first element of the answer. Similarly, to get the second element, first row with the second column. I will show you how to multiply. We are going to multiply the matrix and see how to multiply it. Listen, multiplication. Okay, first row. It's a confused term. Students are making mistakes. That's why I am explaining very clearly. Listen. To get the first element, multiply the first row with the first column and there will be an addition sign. I will show you. That is 3 into 0 plus 7 into 5. Got it? First row 3 and 7. First column 0 and 5. So first elements we will multiply 3 into 0 then plus. Okay? 7 into 5. Alright? Similarly, we will continue. Okay, got it? This one. I am going to show how. This one for the first element. Okay? Now to second element also the same row but the column will be different. The row will be same. So that is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 plus 7 into 3. Got it? 3 into 2. Listen. This one. This way we will go. 3 into 2 plus 7 into 3. That means while arranging the first row elements, rows are same. 3 into 7 row we are taking. And for the first element, first column. For the second element, second column. And first we will multiply, then plus. Similarly, we are going to take out the second row first one. So, there we will take a second row element. Okay. So, the second rows, that means column will be same there. 2 into 0 plus 4 into 5. 2 into 0 plus 4 into 5. Okay. And the second one. Second means the last element. That will be 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3. That means after multiplication also if you are having confusion means 3, 7, 3, 7. That means the rows elements. Okay. And here the column elements 0, 5, 0, 5. Okay. 3, 7, 0, 5. Here also 0, 5 we are multiplying. The line, the procedure while going, you can understand. Similarly, 3, 7, here also 3, 7. Okay. And here you can see the columns are same. 2, 3. So, row wise and column wise we are multiplying. Got it? So, little bit practice needed. More practice needed. After multiplying 4-5 questions, I think this procedure will be clear to you. So, we are going to calculate first AB. Okay, so AB answer you are going to get as 3 into 0 is 0, 7 5s are 35. So first element will be 35. Second element 3 2s are 6 plus, if you are having confusion we can try it once more. So 0 plus 35, that is the first element. 0 plus 35. Then 6 plus 21. Right? And 0 plus 20. Then 4 plus 12. Right? So, after multiplication, the value of AB we are getting as 35, 27, 20, 16. We got AB. AB we got. Now we need the full answer, that means AB minus 5C. AB minus 5C. So AB minus 5C will be 35, 27, 20, 16. That is our AB minus 5C. You know how to find 5C because we are going to multiply it with the 5. So you will get 5 minus 25 minus 20, 30. Right. Now simplify. We know how to subtract these two matrices. So you are getting 35 minus 5, that is 30. 27 minus comes plus. So 27 plus 25. 52. So 52. Okay. Then 20 plus 20. 40. 16 minus 30 minus 14. So you will get the final answer as 30, 52, 40 and minus 14. Okay. So this is multiplication of matrices. Note down. Multiplication of matrices and calculation. Just note down. Okay, now. Okay, children, now if you are having a matrix, suppose you are having A is given like this. A. Okay, note it down now. Okay, now suppose you are having a matrix given A like this 3, 7, 2, 4. Then if you have to find A square, A cube, etc., you cannot find out directly. That means A square will not be the square of these all elements. A square implies that A into A. So if you have to calculate A square, A square means A into A. So you will multiply 3, 7, 2, 4 multiplied by 3, 7, 2, 4. Right. So we will follow the multiplication rule. Once more explaining. For the first element, go through like this. That is 3 into 3 plus 7 into 2. Right? Second, 3 into 7 plus 7 into 4. Then 2 into 3 plus 4 into 2. Then 2 into 7 plus 4 into 4. Okay. Please make sure and go through thoroughly how to multiply, because If you have taken at least one of the element wrong, your whole multiplication comes as wrong. Okay, or 3 into 0 if you have written as 3, multiplication wrong. So very careful with the multiplication. Okay, so after multiplying you will get 9 plus 14, right? 23, 21 plus 28, 49, right? 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 16, 30. So you can see this is your a square. This is your a square. Directly if you are multiplying, what will be? If you are taking out the square, what will be there? 9, 49, 4, 16. Are you getting the same? No. So you cannot take out the square by directly squaring the elements. Square means you have to multiply. Now suppose you have to calculate a cube. If you have to calculate a cube, okay? A cube means it's not the cube of all these elements. A cube, if you have to calculate, it implies that first of all you have to take a square. First of all you have to take a square. Then a cube is a square into a. So first you will calculate a square. This is your a square. Again this a square you have to multiply once more with the a. Then only a cube will come. Okay. I am explaining this because many of the cases, many of the answer sheets already we noticed that students are directly squaring. If a matrix you have to calculate a square, directly they are squaring. So that's wrong. Directly squaring you are getting another answer. Your a square means you have to multiply it with a into a. Okay. A cube comes means a square first you have to calculate, then that a square again you have to multiply with a, then only you will get a cube. Okay, clear? Okay, clear. Now you can see question number 6. That's also in the board exam it is asked. Question number 6. 8.3. Question number 6. There what is given? Question number 6 if you are taking. Such a type of questions are arising in the examination too. Evaluate, the value is given 4 sin 30, 4 sin 30, 2 cos 60, okay, and sin 90, and 2 cos 0. Here what is the problem? Here what is the problem? If you don't know the values, last year we were having a table in trigonometry. Okay, and while teaching that table, teachers might have mentioned that this is very important, it is required. So this table already it is by hearted in last year. The problem is that sin 30 value, if you have written wrongly, everything go. Okay, so sin 30, cos 60, sin 90, cos 0. All these values should be clear. Multiplying with the 4, 5, 5, 4. This is the thing you have to evaluate. Here also by mentally if you are checking, this is order 2 by 2 and that is also order 2 by 2 multiplication possible. That we don't want to show here. If order is asked in the question, then only you have to show the order. Otherwise, mentally only we will check whether multiplication is possible. If it is possible, you will write. Okay, so here also the multiplication is possible. But the thing is that sin 30 value, sin 30. What is sin 30? 4 into 1 by 2. Cos 60 also 1 by 2. Sin 90, 1. Cos 0, 1. Right? And then multiplying with the 4, 5, 4. Multiplying. Okay. So after simplification you will get it 2, 1, 1, 2. Multiplying with the 4, 5, 4. So if you are multiplying, you can listen. Multiplication for the first element. First row into first column, that is 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. This finding out the elements is not so easy. So please children, please go through the multiplication perfectly. Okay. And from multiplication part we will have a question. So 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. Then 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4. Then here 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4. So finally what will you get? 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 10 plus 4. 14. 4 plus 10. 14. 5 plus 8. 13. So finally you are getting a matrix 13, 14, 14, 13. Note down. Question number 6. 8.3 question number 6. Exercise 8.3 question number 6. Okay. Values you have to substitute correctly. One of the value instead of 1 by 2, if you have written 1 or 0 or root 3 by 2, one another value written means everything. Everything collapse and whole answer, whole procedure, multiplication, everywhere you will lose the mark. Okay. So this is multiplication of matrix. So here you can expect some trigonometrical values also written, and by substituting the values you have to find the answer. Now take out the question number 12. Question number 12. Question number 12. You can see there you have to find a long term a square plus ac minus 5b. So for that you are having a is given as matrix 2 1 0 minus 2. That is a 2 1 0 minus 2, and the second matrix B is given as 4 1 minus 3 minus 2, right? And the third matrix is C. C is given as minus 3 2 minus 1 4. Minus 3 2 minus 1 4. You have to calculate a square plus ac minus 5a. A square plus AC minus 5a. This is the thing you have to calculate. Clear? Right. Okay. 5b is easy. Just multiply it with 5. But you have to calculate a square. Either you do separately. And if I am going to do it separately because you are not thorough, you are not familiar with this term. Once if you got the familiarization, you can solve it completely. A square plus AC minus 5b directly you can do. Okay. But here I am going to do it. First we are going to solve a square. A square means, as I have told you, a square means a into a. 2 1 0 minus 2, 2 1 0 minus 2. This is a square, right? And we are going to do a square means you have to multiply a. Multiplying 2 into 2, 1 into 0. Now it is clear now, the multiplication first row with the first column. So 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0. Okay. Then 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2. 0 into 2 plus minus 2 into 0. Okay. 0 into 1, I know you are facing problem. 0 into 1 plus minus 2 into minus 2. Because as a whole everything getting confused. No problem. Be patient and sit in front of your textbook with the copy. Practice many times. That's the only thing to study, the multiplication of matrix. Okay. Firstly, I am see what way, which way it has gone. No idea. Nothing it is clear. You have to listen the concept. First row with the first column. First row, that means the first arrangement. First row arrangement is with the first row only. Columns, according to the number of columns, the columns will be different. Okay. And second row, if you have to calculate, it means the second row is must. So according to the column, if you are moving to the second column, second column means second row, second column elements you have to take and multiply. Now, after simplification, what will you get as a square? What will you get? 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 into 0. It is 0. So you are getting 4, 2 minus 2. Here it is 2. This is minus 2. So 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 0. So here also 0. Here 0, 4. So you are getting a square as 4, 0, 0, 4. A square. Okay. Now you have to calculate the second term, AC. Second term, AC. So if you are calculating AC, that means you have to multiply A and C. 2, 1, 0, minus 2 with the C. C is given minus 3, 2, minus 1, 4. Again we are going to multiply with the same, because here no need of going for multiple also. Number of rows, number of columns in both the matrices, it is equal. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. So multiplication is possible. Now we are going to multiply it again. Right children? So 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1. I know it's a little confused for you. Okay, practice many times. So only way to study multiplication, and this is very important. Very important. Examination, you can see 8.3, if you are going through this exercise, you can see the previous year's questions. Okay, so 2 into minus 3, 1 into minus 1, then 2 into 2 plus 1 into 4, right? Then 0 into minus 3 plus minus 2 into minus 1, then 0 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4, right? Okay, so you are getting the answer AC as minus 6 minus 1. Clear? Minus 6 minus 1 will be minus 7. 4 plus 4, 8, 0, 2. So 2, 0, minus 8. So we got the AC. Now one more time we have to calculate, 5B. That also you have to calculate 5B, or directly you can write 5B. Okay, so 5B means you know that. So directly I am going to simplify the question. Simplifying the question means therefore A square plus AC minus 5B. A square plus AC minus 5B will be equal to, what is our A square? 4, 0, 0, 4. Plus AC. AC we got as minus 7, 8, 2, minus 8. Minus 5B. Minus 5B, directly you write 5B as 25 minus 15 minus 10. Okay children, now we can simplify these all terms by writing it in a simple matrix. That means in a simple matrix you are writing it as 4 plus minus 7 minus 20, first elements. Okay, then 0 plus 8 minus 5, right? Then 0 plus 2 minus minus 15. Clear? And 4 plus minus 8 minus 10. So if you are simplifying minus 27 plus 4, you will get a minus 23. So minus 23 the first element. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then 2 plus 15 will come. So 2 plus 15 is 17. Then 4 plus 10. Plus will come. 4 plus 10. 14. 14 minus 8. 6. So you got the final answer. Minus 23. 3 minus 17 and 6. Okay. Write down. Noting down multiplication, it will take a little time and don't confuse with any of the element. As I have told you, any of the element if you misplace, your whole answer comes wrong. Okay? Okay, children. Now, we are going to solve question number 15. Okay? Question number 15 is given. Question number 15 in the question itself it is given. What is given? X is given. There is a matrix X. X is given as 4, 1, minus 1, 2. One matrix given and you have to show that 6x minus x square. 6x minus x square, that is equal to 9i. The answer should be 9 into I. You have to calculate 6x minus x square. Here I am going to do directly. Okay. If you are having confusion, first of all you have to calculate x square separately. Okay. So 6x means 6 into 4, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2. Okay. 4, 1, minus 1, 2. That is question number 15. Question number 15 it is. Okay. X is equal to 4, 1, minus 1, 2. So 6x we got as 6 into x minus x square. Minus x square means x you have to multiply. X into x. Then only you will get x square. X into x. 4, 1, minus 1, 2. Right? 6x minus x square. Now we are going to simplify it. That is 24, 6 minus 6. 12, that is 6x minus x square you are going to calculate by multiplying. That means 4 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. Then 4 into 1 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. While seeing this itself, I know you are getting irritated, getting bored. Okay? But don't avoid this. This is a question every year in the examination. All examinations from the beginning onwards, semestral onwards, if you have taken the previous year's question papers, you can see matrix question, it comes. Okay. So you have to study. Anyway, you have to study multiplication of matrix. You cannot leave it. So multiplication. Okay. If you are thinking, imagining what to do. This is first row. Okay. First column means we need the first row element. First column. First row, second column means we need a first row with the second column. Then if you got that idea, there is no problem. Sit patiently and practice it by your own. Without copying your own, you practice many times. Then it will be clear. Now we can simplify it. Okay. So if you are simplifying, you are getting 24, 6 minus 6, 12. That is your first matrix. X square you are getting 4 4s are 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15. 4 plus 2. Okay. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 4 minus 2. Minus 6. Minus 1 plus 4. 3. Now 6x minus, what you have to find? 6x minus x square. So 6x minus x square means you are subtracting it. 24 minus 15. Okay. 6 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6. 12 minus 3. What will you get? Are you getting 9i? 9i means 9, 0, 0, 9. This is the answer you are getting. How to simplify? That means if you are taking 9 outside, the remaining is 1, 0, 0, 1. Are you getting 9i? Yes. So you got 9i as the answer. Hence proved. Okay? No doubt. Okay children, now take your question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 20, you have to find the unknown quantity also. Question number 20 is given as, find the values of x and y if x plus y, y, 2x, x minus y. This matrix, if you are multiplying it with 2, 1, right? And you are getting the answer 3, 2. Here you can check, if you are having the question, you can check whether multiplication is possible because answer is given, that is equal to a matrix given. That is possible. But even then you are having a question, you can check. This is order 2 by 2 and this is order 2 by 1. Multiplication possible and answer you will get as 2 by 1 matrix. You are getting 2 row 1 column. Okay. So if you are multiplying means x plus y into 2. Right? Plus y into 1. That is the first multiplication. Then 2x into 2 plus x minus y into 1. That answer you are having 3, 2. As in the last class I have told you, two matrices are equal if and only if the corresponding elements are equal. So here after multiplication you are getting 2x plus 2y plus y and 4x plus x minus y. That is equal to 3, 2. So you are getting two equations to solve. What are the two equations you are getting? You are getting 2x plus 3y equal to 3. First equation. Right? 2x plus 3y. And the second equation you are getting 5x minus y equal to 2. So children, solve these two equations simultaneously and find the answers of x and y. You know how to solve it simultaneously and then find the value of x and y. Calculate. Okay. Remaining part you can do now. You can do. See. That's why I am leaving. So that part also you do. Okay, after solving, find the value of x and y. Then take out question number 25. Question number 25. The rest part just leave some space and do as homework remaining. Okay. Question number 25 take out. 25. Question number 25 is given as A equal to matrix 3x 0, 1 matrix given, and B equal to matrix 9, 16, 0, minus 1. 9, 16, 0, minus 1. AB. Right? And find x and y given that A square equal to B. Given that A square equal to B. So you have to find A square. You know how to calculate A square now. So find A square. A square, then you will equate it into B. Then you can find the values of x and y. So I am going to write A square. 3x 0, 1 multiplying with 3x 0, 1. You will get the answer 9, 16, 0, minus 1. Okay. Multiplying, you are getting 9 plus 0. Stepwise needed. 3 into 3 plus x into 0. Then 3 into x plus x into 1. 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Then 0 into x plus 1 into 1. Okay, that is equal to 9, 16, 0, minus 1. Okay, so you will get 9, x into 0 will be 0. 9, then you are getting 3x plus x. Here 0, here again 1. Is equal to 9, 16, 0, minus y. Equate the corresponding element. 9, 9. 4x equal to 16. So if you are having 4x equal to 16 means you know x will be equal to 4. And 0, 0. Y minus 1. 1 equal to minus y means 1 equal to minus y means y will be equal to minus 1. So you got x as 4, y as minus 1. Okay? Write down. Write down. Then children, question number 30 onwards, 30 to 36, state the order of the matrix and find the matrix. Okay, 2 more questions I am going to solve and the rest questions I will mention which all questions you have to do as homework. Okay, alright. Okay, now take out question number 31. Question number 31. Question number 31, if you are taking, now you are feeling easy, no? After solving 5-6 questions of multiplication, I think you are feeling some relaxation. Okay, so question number 31. 31, it is given there, matrix 2, 1 minus 3, 4 multiplied with another matrix x, and you are getting the answer as 7, 6. So here one unknown matrix is there. We don't know the matrix and we don't know the order of the matrix also. So first of all you have to find the order of x and then calculate what will be x. Okay, such a type of questions are also important. So first of all you have to calculate the order of the x. For finding out the order of the matrix, we will take out the order of the first matrix, that is given 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2, and we don't know the order of x. Order of x we don't know. We will take it out with a general term, p by q. General term. Okay, and the answer of the matrix is 2 row 1 column. 2 row 1 column. As per our rule of multiplication, the number of columns and number of rows. Columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So if we are finding out that, because multiplication is possible already, so if you are equating, so these two numbers should be same as I have told you. So while equating, you are getting p equal to 2. P equal to 2, and 2 by q is the answer, and answer is 2 by 1, implies that q will be equal to 1. So order of the matrix we got as, order of x we got as 2 rows 1 column. 2 by 1. 2 row 1 column. Okay. Now we will assume, let x equal to, let the matrix x equal to 2 row 1 column, a matrix AB. Okay, then we will write it in the question, that is 2, 1, minus 3, 4. When multiplied with AB, another matrix x, you are getting the answer 7, 6. How will you multiply this? To get the answer, we are having only one element in the answer. That means first row with the first column, one column only given. So 2 into A plus 1 into B. Similarly, minus 3 into A plus 4 into B. And you are getting the answer 7, 6. Finally, you will get two equations. What are the two equations getting? 2a plus b equal to 7, minus 3a plus 4b equal to 6. So you can solve it. You can solve it simultaneously, and then you can find the value of a and b. After getting a and b, write it in the matrix form, because the question it is asked to find the matrix. Find the matrix AB. This is our matrix. Whatever you are getting in the place of A and B, right? This will be the final answer in terms of whatever the number AB. Okay, write down. So write down this question also, 31. 31. So order of the matrix is very important. How to calculate the order, that is also you have to listen. These two numbers always will be equal for multiplication, so that one we have equated. And the rest of the elements will be going to the answer order. So answer order is given. There you will equate and you can find the unknown quantities. Okay. Alright. Okay students, one more last question. Question number 35 also I am doing. Question number 35. Question 35 is matrix 4, 2, minus 1, 1 matrix multiplied with another matrix M, we are having answer 6i and the order of I is given. I is a matrix of order 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 2 row and 2 column. So if you are writing 4, 2, minus 1, 1 and M is unknown, you have the answer 6i. 2 by 2. This is 6i. Okay. Now we will arrange. This is of order 2 by 2. This order we don't know. We take it as m by n or p by q anywhere. And answer order is given as 2 by 2. Answer order is given as 2 by 2. So if you are equating, you will get m equal to 2. 2 by n equal to 2 by 2 implies that n also equal to 2. So you are getting order of m as 2 by 2. 2 row, 2 column. And you will substitute, you will suppose m as 4 elements A, B, C, D. Okay, then you will substitute it here. We have the question given. So 4, 2, minus 1, 1 multiplied with A, B, C, D. You are having the answer 6, 0, 0, 6. Okay, then you will multiply it. 4A plus 2C. Okay, 4B plus 2D. Then minus A plus C. Then minus B plus D equal to 6, 0, 0, 6. Now you can calculate A, B, C, D because these two equations are in terms of A and C and these two equations are in terms of B and D. So these two you will solve simultaneously and these two also you will solve simultaneously. Then you will get the values of A, B, C, D. Once if you got the values of A, B, C, D, you will substitute there to get the matrix. Okay? Okay children. So note down question number 35 also. Just note down question number 35. Right? And your homework questions also you can note down. Homeworks. Okay, homeworks questions 22 to 36. Questions 22 to 36. Few questions, 2-3 questions already I have solved here as classwork and the remaining left out questions that are important. Finding the values of unknown quantities as well as to calculate the order of the matrix. These two are very important. So solve from questions 22 to 36 as homework. So today we have seen the multiplication of matrix, how to multiply the matrix, how can we calculate the order of the matrix, and to multiply the matrix, how can we check whether multiplication is possible, and the procedure, the technique of multiplying a matrix with another matrix, that you have to need a thorough practice with the multiplication of matrix, and the identity matrix how to substitute according to the order. So this part, this exercise is very important. 8.3 is very important as we are dealing with the multiplication, because in this exercise you can see all three operations together, multiplication as well as addition and subtraction. So it's enough to learn to study perfectly this exercise 8.3, because all three operations are here, as well as if you have to find Division means 1 by 2 of 1 by 3 of last two class we have seen how to take. So that type of questions also. Calculating the order of the matrix, multiplying the matrix. If A is given, how to calculate A square, how to calculate A cube, okay, or finding the unknown quantity. Unknown quantity finding out means whatever the simplification, whatever the operation, after completing the operation, we will take out the equality of matrices. That means the corresponding elements are equal. Then only we can equate. Okay, so up to here. Hope this chapter is clear to you. This is a new topic for your matrix and it is easy. Only the thing you have to listen is check how to multiply two matrices. That's only confusion. But if you are thinking about this, the first element, first row with the first column, first row with the second column, that order if you are having, then no problem. And take practice with this multiplication. So if you are after completing this 22 to 36, if you are getting time, you can go through from questions 1 onwards, because this exercise is very important. Okay children, so we have seen now multiplication of matrices, the important terms to listen, how to check whether multiplication is possible, how to find the order of the unknown matrix, as well as how can we calculate the unknown quantities. Okay, so go through this very well. Hope, and we will meet you in the next class with a new topic. Okay, thank you.